Monica, so you know the fear. Monica, you know even the fear. On when they move where Monica no via tuari. Lareo, oh that from where? Ge, ole gogoro ge, ni bomuria. Nuwe yo nyawo una mwamuwe una yo nyamani una kumgbe mani tuore. Emani when a destiny yari loto emani still so when a destiny yari loto a. Abioma ve me gugwe mare. Monica, where bega award that for egi room. Monica, mama de mu worry mama wo ya sele. Obia sele nu we mukian we here agie destiny a. Me ma understand. Obia sele ni nu we mukian we ti odoni obia sele ni. Obia sik palo ni obia backbone nu we mukian we ya agie destiny a. Monica. Owe mu worry mu we mani ye bushmeat ya leva ni je bushmeat ya leva o we avan wa o takeke we gile ne gbe oho. O we ya gyoda fu we no yo bini. Odafu we no ligbo neji wina. No your money akpamu ya hwenya. Monica. Mu we Monica. You destiny You are a very stupid man. No me no say na we too stupid. So when we go say, gwalo bono hin agbe Monica wa. Gwali pakpera ni ya sale Monica gbe ni ma na ti gbe ni ami omokpa. Destiny. So are they running where was spray? You make agbon yala. Destiny. Ni aria kokodu Monica yen ri ogo vie wa son ogia since how many years now? 2 years the Monica ya tie bonwe. Destiny. O ma ti ri Monica nu mi omokpa so Destiny. O ma ti ki o janoro we gbe onu gwalo ma no ya gbo ti wa we do. Destiny. Monica, ni at the age of 13 years old. Or even Google granny her destiny. Here we go, I yak no sense in yek, so we want to go no yakiko, or yakiko ba. Or yakiko, vion. Oh, well, I don't do I no, voit boda fouin, kake vivier, although ya who work, destiny, who work. When I go, Umagwala Manohiam, Monica Venenu Before Flat in Omani, or I think be Monica wa. Who? What? Go. Take it. Jesus. Hey, destiny. So he running we one and you were one more quick. I have bonore doni kata. Now we are yoja bonine. I have bonore doni. I kata. Now we are yoja negagi wina. E Monica na muwe ma kave we. Nera ho. Era na mwe kone. Ija ikpano ekona gwalo mano kia mo adia webo. Oyi gugwe gwani ha. Oyi gugwe gwani ha Monica no ma make iya wa Bruce na ya bien ya ma na 20 million naira cash. Oh gugwe gwan we no host table of 20 million naira. Who hosted one night. Who yari eva nevo. Egbo ma very oni okpa mi si kan ko we na Destiny, where are you? Where are you, Destiny? Are you sleeping? Destiny, where you are? Destiny, are you sleeping? Ah, Bruce, no wa na wa we kolo. We bege mani guwe gwan. E mani ma ehue. Bruce no Monica lare o won ga mo Bruce ni ladian we o da fin yen no. We na Bruce ni wa je ni o na mo ladian o da fun yen no. The Facebook na we ne yo ne. We ye potopoto ya hun ya o ne. In short, I'm short of words. I don't know what to say. Monica. O wa de mu what do we mu we? ave gile ni wone noru ugbo o we ya give ya kiko na Bruce a Bruce ni ayo nya life ene a Bruce ne life igwe Monica Owe mu wori ribe mu we a destiny where ya always a toothpick when we ya zakon destiny true to God umanati gwalemi we Monica we family yen get we wa be zuwa umanati kame Monica umanati we Monica umanati gbodianori your destiny udianori your na mi no mu ya woda fun esana umanati saloji yen gbe yen wu we bi owa akpo me bere gbuwe Ivan ta biagi me go ba ya me 100 million wo wa me na aru opa ka ma me wo wa mai igo ni yari nonsense yin agbonre destiny we no host table of 20 for 20 million naira obi o kan pa yan wo da fun e wo ko gbo ni an se be ba ni o wa be won wa ne government mu ni yan ma ti asigo go wa no ne 1 euro we Facebook Oma na iyo nyane Oma ne ruwala ya ogino wodo Oma be sheshe get father ya ogino wodo Ona okpa mi sikan otie bonu we o ye potopoto ya wo we okay demi no he yakpin when ye gbuwere na destiny destiny inwe na nu dana ga yo wa one na inwe no mu yu we gbe na wa he yakpen ye gbuwere destiny.
So Warner, how do you like Los Angeles?
It's big.
Oh my God. Ay. La wo inwena no atuari no be dokpolo nera bi je mu la we at the age of 12 years old nera this virgin. Inwena ni emu yu wegbe na Obadi Gear Street ayan wo winya opposite Santin. Wa ma ya gwale mi wa kian wo tin e no ku e. O wa ma na ti gbe wa ge bosi e wa repe to koma. Repe to coma. Is a disgrace for you though. And if ye Lare ikaka ma na we mani gbiju we o munya we men weje egbe we me no dey we 43 years uje if ye 43 years you are still behaving like a kid kindergarten uwe ye behave ni emani razilo uwe ye behave one mona razilo if ye uwe ye behave ni moni razilo if ye you are under a spell. And then when my bad here, when he like Facebook street, by I beg away on our do make care women. If you like where move away, you gonna walk where more you when I got you. Uwe manami mano guwe gwan spiritual we work bebe la dian we guwe gwan we ya menwe. Ano wo, ano eva, ano ha, ano ne, ano sen. Ehwe mu we a. Abia boni ya gbalo ni yen be se dia be ra ya.
Blenders, microwave, TV going.
Eru wala. Where? Emi no do we se we hen ya asemi no roto na eru wala because awenu rie bare ayela la ro magu we riere. Even on a wana to arrive Tony and David bypass. What that for working a neru while and why the mortgage with London? Wow, what that for my team when and why the mortgage? Oh, Tonoredo, or Wahin Yakin, one we go at the webon why the mortgage. Wow, every while I work in London, they don't hear who the ticket in London, away. Because was your ike. Waja tu arike no ya wa egi no wodo even who wait the ticket na wa be ya wa egi no wodo ne kwemu du mezedo nu dan ekia na tuan yahu ritualist yahu ma du mezedo ritualist yahu ma du mezedo aka Papa Wala of Netherlands. Even on there who the ticket here, why are we gino evani? Umaya mama no bie. Do mezedo.
It's good to date someone who's better. She doesn't work with.
Umaya mama no bie.
What are you doing?
Why are here akekwa? We wa here ke ya akeke. Ivie.
Shouldn't you be trying
A shame and disgrace. Although la we be Facebook now. A step up by Facebook in because you might with Facebook. Is here another like Facebook whether $600 in a week. And does every week $600. Then we yak we na una.
Repeat last night.
We are working with Facebook. Why me wana gwaze do any ye joy FIA. Umuwe mugie. Wa kekwa.
Wasn't brilliant.
Sure. I was more.
Wow. A family Monica ya fefe no na from head to toe.
Your age, maybe.
And Bruce no ma so when the destiny ya loto e bata the destiny gba Bruce ma so e. Oh wow don when aga we junkie.
Maybe a year or two.
Ehwe mu wa.
Yeah.
So let's just have a little retirement class next.
Ehwe mu wa.
It's small, but this one's for what more? You want me to get you in?
No thanks.
Come on, man.
Ore mi ni awe word itani e word o temi mo ira me no. O etita o etireta because me wa hen word. O vieri me wa no. O etita etireta I don't know. But destiny yakpo ya yegbere. This insult on Facebook is too much. Igo aya gwagbogbo ni degbe. Destiny, this insult is too much in your body. Go and make sure you deal with that girl called Monica. This insult is too much. She has been giving it to you, but yesterday night I couldn't sleep. I was sleepless.
Not a game. Yeah.
Please,
Detective Claudette Wims on
please,
in Los Angeles.
please,
Were you formerly Mona Hawkins?
please. Ya yi gona yakpe gbe o uwe gbe.
To receive any cash from your Social Security check.
Un dana uwe gbe la wowo pagbe.
You know, lawyers
Pagbe evie, me ma se TV na.
the federal government.
La wowo pagbe destiny. In any way nu ya fighting the Monica na no settlement. E dey bawe bogioma motai. O ma no like o ma o dey bawe bogioma. O ma no like o ma o dey bawe bogioma. No ma like o ma o me na ya wo ma underground. U ya mu egba you weran. Iye invoke spirit e you weran. Egbe ni an wi vie na. Iye boy no ma ma e dey be car. Iti akọli wewe no de wa amwe phone ni make na rovie we. Ugo we ave single me atosti we. Ukwe do mother for me mana lega we aka mo ega zizahin igba we mweran. Do mother fi me. We do mother fi me mi atie no ba enu we do mu we tu gwa lo second wife hiam hiamu. Iye boy we do mother fi me. Nu gere na bo tu bo no mama nu we do ni. Bono mama no we doni ni me kam we bo exist am we me come 21 days o mani ameme mana we 21 days awari ejo mana we so pe ni go da we owo we any body no riri yada fun ya fia lase yen ya mu emi mi ro pa wu yen ma ta ye boy e ma ta uwu do riri mana gbo wu no re doni atie won wa iya mana mo bibio wo no redo ni no so ame me overnight e tie won wa e ma ta agbon ya gbe kan agbon ya agbe kan agbon ya fefefe awa agbe kan imu bibio we iye ri owo kokodu wa son we mi kene benati kian wa gavan gi orebe agi ohun o ti kian owo we odafiyen e ma ta evie mi unri ladian be ba ni evie wa mi unri ladian o ga argument no e mi unri ladian uwo ya ta owo odafun area odafun will be this if I be destiny I go start from Monica family from house my sister na that one they pay me who be this pretty osage the thing they pay me this idiot wey they carry enter abroad at the age of 12 years old he too dey insult that boy they pay me destiny we wan go kwa for nothing so even when we met ya kioja na egbuwe destiny umeti ya kioja na egbe destiny go ni we wan you umeti ya kioja na egbe nu ya deal with un dana true to God a piece de egbe lawe Monica di me no a piece de egbe lawe Monica I make sure a family ni ya hin to no gbe bi a piece de egbe lawa on tient gualome na gualome ki amieme oh where akwa be rawe Destiny I'm sorry I apologize ori blue abiora ole apologize ori blue abiora ole mata when Monica wan Bruce no my who no yin won euro le Facebook here Monica wan gbon we hin we what that we get to wa you people are dead among the living odono ma mani no we mu here no how ma money here you know the na Facebook imagine Monica wan sell land take buy house for UK yes now that will not be new topic again now na truth now me too she block my 2 accounts that will not be new topic again and papa wala na I want help them buy the land in don't buy ticket now they come London one come for your husband presents then they use until they do ritual or that for yeah we ritual now we when go Bruce a junkie no so oni magin we know eru wala wa we Bruce ya washing or Bruce or you ni sa eru wala dey jouer ya jam on your jam lock Bruce ya you or you ni sa eru wala wa dey jouer yen so amu egba ave ma ni yo wa ave ma no wa ma go wa gbon we kin Monica o ma gbon we kin wodo o teme wa no teme wodi wa kin o we ri ame wodi wa kin o we na wodi ya di loto o han agu we ya di loto o han agu we ya o we na wodi ya di loto o han agu we ya di loto a wa salwa nene wodi no o ke kave no sef so me mother de only a topic on na topic e de na so e no roto na ivie no mama no we kita we ni we iya we ga we vie we ga we kron we agbela wilo ivie uni da hwe kata ari Jennifer Collins TV ikakpe message gwe uni da hwe vie uni da hwe 1 year straight 1 year every day wa ya hwe uni da hwe gwaloma no kian wi pakperan gwe no ya hwe every night because ya gbalo we ya mu pakperan we in sense we gi gwe ya ri ekpane enwe we ya ri enjo we enwe we ya na me we the sense ya na ri nekita ekita ya ri sense we na ri oge we nya we no so we na igbokian lele ya awani vie ki Facebook tie bon na reply vie we go mani e we no because e vie o managbon because o ga managbon we no wa fly lele ya kan mother of 3 no da fu we pasu we enu gele work on yourself no work on yourself no we yes say go then you see na ya agwale ni kian wo awa gogojo yen wo awa mekia e boyfriend we gun yen kenie na be se we enu ya demi o ye Cameroon no reba ni na be lobieke nene mi otolu we a when you are coca gwe Nigeria no ya ahio de totolo we ori aboliki by coca no ya ahun no ya hunye wa ni owo we Cameroon yen wa be se we na Africa market ye ke we ni yen na mula wona we ivie ekwede de mo ya we wari so ijo we ma we kia na ria no sivie abijo e ma ro we dia ma ro we bu mi adeni ro we Bumi adeni ruowe. Uhun depression ya we Monica ya vex. Ko be ni vie ya la life Ya we life my dey become anybody ni vie la life no. Iyan tie bo ni vie. Anybody no really le vie ko life of one must to destroy. So people beware of vie. Anybody ni vie le ku. Anybody ni vie le ku o ma ni oranyo dukun oranye lada ni asiesi koto. People should beware of Ivie. People, please. Beware of Ivie. Beware of Ivie. Ivie not be human being. People, beware of Ivie. Ivie not be human being. Ivie is dead among the living.
Have a seat. So she's bickering over police station this afternoon.
Now, Monique can confess yesterday before she come out yesterday. Who know things say who ordinary hands, Destiny and Esther are not sleeping and are not sleeping. No, not be so that they do that kind of person. No. Edede na mumu is this you na me or that must just part na me. No, this kind juju way they do so me not like am. Oroto wa ne wani eme people wey know me, muna ask them. Mana me come under 21 days. No be say na lie o. Mana me come on 21 days. They mani you know say mana only lad on Facebook. 21 days. Mana mama ve awa before flat no ma. Eta bata ri no. I will buy 4 flats for you. I'm ve. Ekene word na hia Esther hia se word ya. Esther go hia we kene word na hia. E word oviera me no we kene word na hia e word. E try word E Monica agbe kan word e word yen we bo be Nigeria. E word we hia agbukun. E word. E word oviera me no e compound okpa ma na wan compound okpa ma we word na wan word na mo Monica gbwe next ya o ye korion won word iwe bo be Nigeria word we bo be Nigeria outside country word na we bo word yin me dian etie so wa word na mo Monica word afun egba hand hiara no ni ave Facebook na Facebook na ahia bere Monica agbon ya hian join ya ye black in Monica word afun word Monica hian fi lupegi word masho wa wan ati word ipakperan to boy iye destiny go awe bo we kene word ji. Please my beautiful sister, help me put madness for if you not even need madness again. If you're not ready, they mad. You know they see that girl. Mona know say see people with that psychopath they worry. Mona they see them. If she enter video, she gonna do like this. She gonna use her to do her face like this. That girl she not settle. I don't know person where do that girl something. They settle down. They kill her mother. They come settle down do her. They come carry her father high come on for where she did. They settle down do her. No know they wash her. She not they settle. That girl not they settle. That girl they mad oh. Honestly oh. Forget say she they go walk. Ama we no me jugbo. No me talk kokore aha. She's mad. From that UK to Ikeja now go end up. Monica don't die now. Share this video. I bet me share this video. Me approko career. Monica, when era this virgin, you na gwalomano hiamu, wuga manera at the age of 12 years, you na yakmane, kojona muwe adia webu. Monica, you are just 37 years. A bunk babe 37 years. Ulewebo 20 years ago. Abi 1998, Monica Lawebo, that is 24 years ago, 23 years ago. 23 years ago. She's just 37 now. Oh, we again na friend the boy Destiny. We Monica. Even ye push me to yari breakfast. Oh, we gugwa. Oh, we Destiny. Umana seti ni adomu biye Monica oh wa son Me go to we wa be o. Why go ni we wa ni rubbish go. Oh, we gagbon. Umana ti gian. Ni adomu bia son ye Monica oh. Even ye we mi no wan road Destiny. Lion Dore. Lion Nigeria re. Even ye mu me kwa ma yan ro. Even ye we no mas bibi zozu ayan ye ro. Sisi ye gwalu we ye kan. Ye we de amune wi man ore gwasa goloku na lie o. Na lie o adaji wo there. Na lie o adaji wo there. Yes, a conveyance on your wow. Or we were when you walk cross imoto wa gbeye wa ni flat. Where me rock where mo de kun ku we that from or de kun. Okay, temptation and lack with temptation. Destiny, where are your money? Destiny, you go where you go where na you go.
Don't you think it's better if we clear things?
Destiny, where is your money?
Well, I don't think it's me that you need to...
Destiny, you go where you might see you gonna yakioja negbo Wa mi ni vieta we no de vie we tu we gberu we yari azingo. If you were we Destiny we gbe yari azingo. Destiny, where are you? Where are you? Are you sleeping? This riffraff. Ibieka ni amula we bonodo gbigbe aganeri yan vision ze vision riva e. O itie bonu we no yegbe we no jun ya gba me amu ihona. Where are you?
But in my heart, I understand I made my move, and it was all about you.
Where are you? Waiting can't ever pay me pass. Nine say destiny can't even they write Monica. What a this can you imagine? Insult upon injury. I don't know why Destiny even did this Facebook. Destiny, you don't need Facebook here. Okay, wait till that one come in now. Come the day Facebook, they lavish money. Destiny, take 10 million away from your money. We case the 10 million naira. Monica what that for when you get it day yet in. Monica what that for when you get it where you let it. He what they give me your power. Obi kolo. Oda fun we ni we bere ga we rirun. Oda fun eye oyo bibi agbe wa why mo bibi e. Wa mi yan na mi wu Destiny. We ni amwa bibi Bruce na bibi yo isi agbe Monica wa zuo wa eva ni sisi yan eva live ku gbe ne. O wa re o pie dokpo we ya gbe wa. E police kere Monica wu ne wo wa mo bibi yan. Ew. What did not we na Monica na ka all ka yezo ya wene na what the Destiny no ni ahon because what the me what the kakabo what the heavy wa what the me heavy money and night no ya go all ya revenge ma we matter no roto na my cousin what evie Ikwe demu we okbia no love ye ku wene no we no oga ataya na yawe ya make caricature ina yawe ya make joke getu we blow win so ina yawe ya make joke mani we owe we Cameroon wa Africa market ogen ye ko ede ona o we gine beds ovie ihama we gi won are Nigeria we ni are konka gwenu ya hwiwe we ni de totolo we Uwe agatolo we when ya huye. Precious Meg, may I leave this message for you. I beg my sister, they get shame small. I use God beg you. Get small shame for your private parts. You can't lovely live video they talk say you fist coy. Now make you the fat say whether you know the fuck. Now what did they talk for public be that? A old mature woman. Precious Meg, the last time where I check your age, you are 45 years old. A old matured woman. See what you they talk for your mouth, Precious Meg. You know the shame. What you not concern you? They use until they rub your body. You know all this matter where they grant, so you not concern you. You not concern you, but you just they carry the matter for it. I see send a gala now you want to go sell for a kiosk market. You not concern you. This matter not concern you. I know say they be your farm, but not be the way where you come live video come they disgrace yourself. Precious Meg, a old big woman like you just come and say because of that one whether you know the fuck. Can you imagine? Talk about fuck on national on CCTV. People where they watch they pass 1 million where you go come watch that video tomorrow. They talk about yourself when nobody even they talk to you, Precious Meg. Nobody they even they refer to you. You don't they talk to yourself. Precious Meg, what did they do you? I don't even know say na so you be. I think say you even get some more sense for your brain. What did they happen, Precious Meg? All those food where you they sell for there, I love it. They sell your food, they do your market. No, they involve yourself. If you want to involve yourself, come and talk to. No, they use yourself till they describe Vivier. Precious Meg. No, they use yourself till they describe Vivier. Even though your name don't first spoil, but people never know say your name spoil where for Facebook. When they use yourself, they imitate Ivier way don't rot finish, where they want to go throw away. Ivier way they smell, they use your gallant self, they imitate that Ewobi, that idiot fellow. We not get front, he not get back, he not get waist, he not get anything. Iye boy, he can't tell my way. What that from or that thing or no doll. Wa mother from me is illegal.